Hi everyone! So for me, a classic lasagna consists of lasagna noodles, a good bolognese, sauce bechamel, and mozzarella cheese. I really like lasagna, so I'm gonna show you how I make it. So I start with the bechamel. I melt a little butter with flour, and then I will mix and add a little bit of milk, just little by little, and I will stir until everything is smooth and there is no lump. So like this, and I will add a little bit more and mix until smooth. And then I will add spices such as nutmeg, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and a pinch of pepper. And I will mix again and let the sauce thicken. And then I will boil my water to cook the noodle. And I always use not the oven ready, the regular pasta, just my preference. And I have a recipe for bolognese sauce, and I suggest you make homemade bolognese sauce for your lasagna. And I just start, assemble my lasagna sheet by sheet. And I will make like three row before I put my bechamel. And then I will add mozzarella cheese that I have grated, and then I will cook it at 350 for about 25 minutes. And for the last 2 minutes of baking, I put it on broil, so everything is like golden and it looks really yummy. I hope you give it a try, and all the recipe and all the details are on my website. Have a nice day. Bye bye.